In this video, I will show you how to easily replace an image in Base44. To begin, I'll navigate to the sidebar and select the app I want to modify. Once the project loads, I'll click on the Edit button at the top of the interface to enter the editor and access the canvas. I'll scroll down to find the image I want to change and click on it to bring up the editing options. From the menu that appears at the bottom of the image, I'll click on the Replace Image button. This opens a gallery of my uploaded and generated images where I can browse through the available files. I'll select the new city skyline photo and click Replace to update the element instantly. The new image is now perfectly placed within the design. I can further refine the layout by clicking the Hide Chat panel icon to get a clearer view of my workspace. This simple process allows me to swap out visuals quickly to keep my app looking fresh and professional. Using Base44's intuitive canvas, I can efficiently manage my assets and ensure every visual component aligns with my project's goals. Whether I'm updating a placeholder or refreshing my content, the platform makes it seamless to customize my application's appearance in just a few clicks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.